In this video, we will learn about the table management feature of Moon POS. Click on the Table Number button to open the Table View window. Click on the Edit button to add tables. Click on the plus icon to create a new table. You can edit the name by clicking on the text on table. You can also change the size of the table to small, medium, and large as per your need. Similarly, we are creating another table too. We can move the tables as per the arrangement at your location. We can also change the size of all the tables at once. This feature is useful if you have all the tables of same size. Click on Save button. Table 1 and 2 are now appearing in the Table View window. To change the table status, click on the blank button below it and select Blank Reserve or Running as per your need. You can select the list view to display the tables in a list. Let us create an order for the Table 1. You can check that the button has changed its text to 1. Enter the customer name, number, and select the items that they have ordered. Click on Total to create the order, select the mode of payment and click on Confirm button. The order is complete and you'll get a print preview of the order where you can verify the table number is 1. In the order receipt print preview, also, you can verify that the table number is 1.
If you still have any query, please reach out to us on support@mooninvoice.com.